Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your gender in Palmon Survival. If you are looking for a way to change your gender in Palmon Survival, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you do, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. You'll end up in this Explorer info section where you'll need to click the pencil icon on the right. Now under gender selection, choose your gender you want to change to and click on confirm. If you've previously selected a wrong gender for yourself by mistake, you can correct it with following this step. So that's how you change your gender in Palmon Survival game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.